Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that, okay? So you have to click on the Windows search bar, type in here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator, which is the very important thing right here, to run the command prompt as an administrator so that the command will work. So type in here sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, then you have to hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. So what we are going to do in here is that we are just going to wait for this process to be completed so that we can run the second command. Okay, so let's just wait for this in a while. Now the SFC scan has been completed, so let us type the second command. The second command is DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So the command is right here at the top. So this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And here's an additional tip for you. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, I suggest that just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help the process to be continued, and once the process has been 100% completed and is successful, just simply close out of here. Then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.